Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Snoring once in a while isn't usually a serious problem. It's mostly a nuisance for your bed partner. But if you're a long-term snorer, you not only disrupt the sleep patterns of those close to you, you hurt your own sleep quality. Snoring can itself be a symptom of a health problem like obstructive sleep apnea. 17 November 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The tissues in your throat can relax enough that they partially block your airway and vibrate. The more narrowed your airway, the more forceful the airflow becomes. This increases tissue vibration, which causes your snoring to grow louder. 22 December 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
7 foods to help you stop snoring. 8 natural ways to stop snoring. Snoring is very common and is not really a disease, but can be really embarrassing for some. 8 turmeric. 8 soy milk. 8 peppermint. 8 onions. 8 olive oil. 8 honey. 8 fish. The 13th of September 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you have suddenly begun to snore or have only just started to notice, it is likely to be due to a recent physical change in your mouth or throat. This could be caused by putting on weight, especially around the neck. Jaw misalignment due to an injury. 15 May 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Loud and reoccurring snoring may be an indication of other problems that your doctor may need to diagnose. If you hear your partner snorting or gasping for air frequently throughout the night, it could mean they have obstructive sleep apnea. 13 November 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to Lou, a patient should see a sleep specialist if snoring is accompanied by daytime complaints of sleepiness, headaches, or mood disturbances such as feeling anxious, irritable or depressed. As sleep patients are often unaware of breathing interruptions that have serious health risks, Lou said. 28 December 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
To prevent or quiet snoring, try these tips. If you're overweight, lose weight. Sleep on your side. Raise the head of your bed. Nasal strips or an external nasal dilator. Treat nasal congestion or obstruction. Limit or avoid alcohol and sedatives. Quit smoking. Get enough sleep. The 22nd of December 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
The longer and louder a person snores, the greater the long-term risk for stroke. By the vibrations of snoring. Heart disease, snoring and sleep apnea have been linked to cardiovascular problems such as high blood pressure and coronary artery disease. These conditions increase the risk for heart attack. 28 June 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.